Hello friends, today I am gonna show you how to install MySQL Server Workbench in your Windows 10. So just go to Google and type MySQL Server Workbench 8.0 for Windows. Just click on it. There is a first website download MySQL download Workbench. So go to head and select Microsoft Windows operating system. Now go to down. There is, you can see Windows 64-bit MSI installer. So just download it. Now if you have account, so you can log in, but I no thanks, just start my download, so I can download it. Now downloading is starting, so let's do it. Now open it, click on run. So it could take some time. Windows installer is working. Now refresh. Now click on next. You can change, but I cannot change the path. So you can click on complete or custom. So I can do custom install. So click on custom. So you can choose this switch you can choose all feature, yeah, some feature. So all feature installed on a drive, so it could take large size. So I can only install only one feature, so you can click on it, click on next. Now it's installing, so it could take some time, so I can skip the video. This may take several minutes. So if you are new, so like my video and subscribe my channel. So copy files, it takes some minutes or could take time. Now you can finish this and launch Workbench. Now you can see it's installed in my PC. Now I can now you can maximize. Now you can do everything, so you can create a file. Now I can show you. Please refresh. So maximize the size, click on file. Now you can create new model, just click on it. My database, you can add a table, add a group, you can do everything. So model, add diagram, ER diagram. So you can create your project as your need. After creating, table and your project you can view and you can export it. So after creating your project, now I insert table. If you like this video, so subscribe my channel. Now you can create, after creating table, save model and export your project. So in this video, just I can show you how to install. So if you like this video, like, comment and subscribe. See you in next video.